So today I want to show you a tablet which I buy in China for 28 euros. It was really cheap, and it is a low cost tablet, pretty fast of course, but the resolution of the display is really low, and the viewing angle is not really good. Okay, and I show you the battery. It was 80%, now it's 97. It's melting away from the eyes. It has 5 megabyte RAM and 2 gigs ROM. Not really not really good, but my other tablet had 4 processors and 1 giga RAM and 16 gigabyte of ROM. It's not so fast how it is. I'm wondering how it's possible. Probably the resolution of the display. And the Wi-Fi has a problem. It's an old model of Wi-Fi, 50 megabits, 54 or so, and I have 100 megabits here at home, and it's not really good. Sometimes it's collapsed down, so I try internet radio so I could show you what has happened. What's happened when I get an internet connection. Okay, so it's not good. Okay, I'll play it. It is mono sound. It has a volume button, power button, and the speaker is pretty big, and so some beats come out pretty good. It's working good now, but sometimes the Wi-Fi collapsed and locked on. So yeah, it's collapsed down connection, and the Wi-Fi comes up. To try the new buffering. When I use my old router with 50 megabits max, it's working really good, but with a new router with 100 and 150 or so, not good working at all. It's working now. Collapse one more time, and the butter is melting away. So it's cheap, but you see, not really good. Okay, stop. And that's it. Front camera, back camera with light. I don't know how to use the light, but camera working, probably not really big megapixels, but you know, it's cheap. Okay, next time.